In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix plugins not working in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a really simple method and it takes less than 1 minute. So if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, sometimes you might have plugins from different places which might not work in Premiere Pro, or they were working before, but then after a certain update or something, they've just disappeared or they're not working. So in this video, I'll be showing you that fix. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, once it's open, it's gonna look something like this. So there are certain plugins where you would have to go to the top, go to Window, Extensions, and then you would see your plugins here. It would then open a separate window just like this. And if you wanted to dock it into your main window, you are able to do that as well, just by holding down on the tab and transferring it wherever you want. However, if you've installed your plugins and they are not appearing in the extensions area, this is what you have to do. So first thing you want to do is you want to close out of Adobe Premiere Pro and you want to open Adobe Creative Cloud. Now, when you open up Adobe Creative Cloud, it's going to look something like this. So what you want to do is you want to head on over to the stock and marketplace area. Once you're here, just search up the plugin that you're trying to download. In my instance, it's right here. So if you don't have it already, just download it from Creative Cloud. It's definitely the best way to go about downloading plugins. And if you already have it, it's going to have three little dots where you're going to be able to uninstall it and then reinstall it again if it's not working properly. Also, it's worth checking out all the different plugins on Creative Cloud because there are so many that you can use to make your videos look even better. Finally, I would definitely go to the app section, go over to the right where it says view updates and check to see if your Premiere Pro needs an update. This is because certain plugins might not work on an outdated software.